Guys, this is Peter Selma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2020 Scout 330 LXF. I'm here in the back. This boat is powered with twin 425 Yamahas, V8 offshore engines. Awesome power package for this boat. Across the back we have the faux teak. Here we have our rod holders, our live well. You can see this really comfortable seat back here. Again, great if you're hanging out with your family and friends. If not, it stows away nice and easy. So if you are doing some fishing here. In addition to that, our dive door. Again, little difference of options if you're pulling a nice big fish in, or if you're using the ladder right here to get on and off. You know, if you're doing some water sports. All right, that closes off nice and easy. Cutting board. We have our sink. Really nice pull-out Yeti cooler. And Kenny grill right here as well. Get a shot at the hardtop here. As we can see, this is the midnight edition. So everything is black powder coated. Our rocket launchers here. Our grab handles right here. Coming to the helm. Twin companion chairs, each with their own bolster. Great little spot there for some cell phones. Oops, excuse me. Twin Garmin displays. Obviously our throttles here. Edson steering wheel, tilt, or Yamaha digital readout there. LED trim tab indicators. Then all of our switching up here. All right, again, you can see the nice big wraparound windshield there. Keep you nice and cool on a nice November day like today. Down below, I'll let Frank go down there and show you our head down there. Nice little lounger there if you would want to lay out a little bit. It does articulate up, so it's a great spot to kind of get out in the sun. Or the cold, like today. Making our way forward. Right now I'm standing on what can come up as a table. It could also be a casting platform too if you want. Insulated cooler boxes right there. Again, beautiful interiors. Midnight edition throughout, and obviously our windlass are up there in the front. All right, guys, again, 2020 Scout 330 LXF. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.